Number 22, link to Excel. Let's say you have an Excel chart and you want to link it to PowerPoint. Just click on your chart, do Control-C to copy, go over to PowerPoint, and do Control-V to paste. Now before you do anything else, click on this link and make sure you select one of these two entries with the chain representing the link to Excel. You have a choice between using your destination theme or use the source formatting in your PowerPoint presentation. We'll go ahead and use the destination theme and link the data. Now when you right click, you can edit the data and it takes you back to Excel where the source of the data is. So let's say we change this number right here from 15 down to 6. When we go back to PowerPoint, the data is updated. Change it back to 15 and it's updated there. It's now linked between Excel and PowerPoint. Just remember, make sure that you've saved your Excel spreadsheet so that there's a file that it can link to, and make sure that you select one of these two chain options. That's all there is to it.